A warm good morning to all of you. Before starting my presentation, I want to thank all the chairperson of Women Librarian Association of Assam for accepting and allowing me to present appear on the national seminar on online teaching and learning issues and challenges. Now, I am going to introduce myself, Pragyanshini Naik, librarian at USPM College, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. On behalf of my co-author, Mrs. Amrula Mishra, research scholar from SUA University, Bhubaneswar, presenting on the topic online teaching, learning issues and challenges. I have segregated my presentation into introduction, objective of the study, literature review, problems in online teaching, online learning challenges faced by students, online learning challenges faced by teachers, strength, weakness, opportunities, challenges of online learning, solutions of online teaching problems, research methodology, and conclusion. Definition of teaching. Teaching is the process of attending to people's needs, experience, and feeling, intervening so that they learn particular things and go beyond first given. Definition of learning. Learning is the process of acquiring new understanding, knowledge, behavior, skills, values, attitudes, and preferences. Now I am showing my PPT. Start my PPT. Introduction. Global economy has been enormously contrived by COVID-19. This disaster has oversteered the education section. From March 2nd week, Indian state government started close down the academic establishments as an initiative to control the diffusion of novel coronavirus. Academic establishments closed for an uncertain period of time. There is no surety of reopen. During this crisis, teaching is operating online with an unverified and unparalleled scale. Students' assessment and semester examinations are as well operating through online. Objective of the study: to recognize the online teaching learning issue challenges in educational institutions. Literature review. According to Pojokarju, 2013 said online learning have a common potentiality to operate a computer joined to a network which provides the opportunity to be taught from any place, any moment, any flow, with any modes. According to Singh Thurman, 2009 said online learning is a learning experience in contemporary circumstances by applying divergent tools like mobile phones, laptops with internet access, where students can be self-reliant to know and interconnect with other students and teachers. According to McBrien 2009, contemporary learning circumstances is constructed in such a way that students take part in live lectures. There are instantaneous communications among teaching professionals and students, and there is a probability of immediate assessment response. Contemporary learning can yield more chances for socialization. According to Carey 2020, at this robust situation, the concern is about how educational establishments will be able to endorse online learning in an immense way, but not what degree online teaching learning methods can lay out to quality education or not. COVID-19 outbreak was overnight shifted the physical classrooms into e-classrooms. Teachers have moved their whole educational perspective to handle emerging market opportunities and acclimate to the erratic conditions. Problems in online teaching. The problems with modern technologies are installation, login, audio and video, downloading errors, and so on. Personal attention is also a massive problem confronting through online learning because students always acquainted with two-way communication. Online learning is all about conceptual in nature and does not allow students practice and learn successfully. Online learning challenges faced by students: adaptability, technical issues, computer knowledge, time management, self-motivation, distraction, learning styles, communication, virtual engagement, and feedback. Online learning challenges faced by teachers: engaging students, time commitment, communication, assessment, feedback, teaching methods, fear of cheating, technical issues, and course content. SAC analysis of online learning: strengths, time flexibility, location flexibility, accommodating to large population, widespread of content and courses, instant response. Weaknesses: technical difficulties, newcomers' potentiality and a degree of reliability, effective planning, disturbances, irritation, uneasiness, and hesitancy, scarcity of individual and actual attention. Opportunities: possibility of transformation of and digitalization, formulating adaptable schemes, reinforce problem-solving analytical approach, and mobility competency. No age restrictions for users. An ingenious educational perspective. Challenges: standards of quality, quality of e-learning program, lot of time and most cost involved, digital equity. Solution of online teaching problems: know the technology, expect the unexpected and remain flexible, maintain a strong presence, set clear expectations for the course, establish a sense of comfort, and develop a community of learners, promote reflections and communication through quality discussion, have a good balance of active leader and active observer, request regular feedback and mindful misinterpretation, regularly check content resources and applications. Research methodology. This is a theoretical paper so that the data has been mostly collected through secondary sources such as journals, research publications, and internet to accomplish the asserted objectives. Conclusion of my paper: COVID-19 pandemic has made a lesson to us that everything is uncertain and we always have to be prepared to encounter the most constraints. This coronavirus wave has also made a lesson that students must contain problem solving, analytical approach, and adjustability skills to succeed during this emergency. So that this stage, teachers and students should be provided with tools and technologies to continue uninterrupted learning. Government support during this period is also crucial. Before bringing in and adopting any e-learning technology, it is necessary to be weighted its pros and cons. This pandemic creates many confusions and stress among all. So it is crucial to study the technology enormously and balance these honest and stress during this crisis. Thank you. Have a good day.